Before you make your final decision on the MSI MPG Z890 Edge TI Wi-Fi motherboard, there are some surprising downsides you'll want to hear about. Stay tuned until the end to get the full picture. The MSI MPG Edge TI Wi-Fi motherboard boasts a stunning all-white design, making it a perfect centerpiece for any high-end PC build. Its sleek aesthetics are complemented by customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to tailor the look to your personal style. The board's layout is thoughtfully designed for easy access to components, ensuring a smooth building experience. Standout features include support for the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, providing exceptional performance for gaming and intensive tasks. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN ensures blazing fast internet connectivity, reducing latency during online gaming sessions. Additionally, the motherboard supports DDR5 memory with speeds up to 9200 plus megatransfers per second, offering significant improvements in data transfer rates and overall system responsiveness. However, it's important to note that the motherboard's premium features come at a higher price point, which may not be justifiable for users with more modest computing needs. Additionally, while the all-white design is visually appealing, it may not suit all aesthetic preferences. Priced at $370, the MSI MPG Edge TI Wi-Fi offers a robust set of features for its cost. The latest offers and availability, check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? First, let's look at the cons. Higher price point, all-white design may not suit all aesthetics, limited audio jacks for dedicated speaker setups. Now the pros. Supports the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, high-speed networking with Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN, supports DDR5 memory, up to 9200 plus megatransfers per second, customizable RGB lighting, user-friendly design for easy installation. For the latest offers and more information, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video to stay updated with our latest reviews.